Hello everybody, Teresa with Hippie Hauler here, and I have a few pieces that I'm going to show you and give you prices on, and then I have a few more pieces from the Goodwill bag that we did yesterday, and we're going to go ahead and test them. I've got them cleaned up, and then I can give you prices on those as well. So let's get started. Okay. So these pieces down here are the pieces that were in the Goodwill bag that we opened yesterday that are marked 925. I have cleaned them up and we're going to go ahead and test those so I can give you prices on them. But before we get started on that, I wanted to go ahead and price these items. I have this sterling silver ring. Now, I did not see a mark on it. I may have overlooked it. Actually, you know what? I do see a mark and it's right there. So it's right inside there. And this did test sterling. I acid test it. And these are CZs. It is absolutely gorgeous. It has a lot of sparkle. It's very well made. It doesn't have a maker's mark in it. All the stones have open back. And I'm going to price this one at 30. I believe it weighed 6 grams. It may have been 8, I can't remember, but we're going to say 6. I'd rather it be more than less, so we'll stick with 6. And this is, let me see what size this is. I want to say it's a 7. Let's see here. Yep, size 7. So it is a size 7. It's so pretty. So we will do 30 on that one. Okay, and then this is just metal tone. It does have a little bit of wear around some of these edges of the stones. I don't know that this came with this chain. The chain is marked China on one side and Cookie Lee on the other. But the cross is not marked at all. So the chain is in great condition. It has absolutely no wear, claw clasp, and it is, let's see, it is 7-inch drop, so it's 14 inches, and it has a 2.5-inch extension. So 14 inches with a 2.5-inch extension, and the cross is 3 inches by 2 1/16. And we'll just say 8 on that one. Okay. And then this is silver tone. I did test it. It is not silver. It has a green rhinestone on one side. I don't know if you can see that. That one is green. This one is clear. And the green side is the side that comes undone, so you can put your charms or your beads on there. And this didn't have a maker's mark, and I could not find one identical to it online. So we'll just say 10 on that one. The color is good on it. It's not worn or faded anywhere. And it's got some good weight to it. So 10 on that one. And then we have this rhinestone starfish. All of the stones are in place. It is blingy blingy. It's gorgeous. It's silver tone. There's no fading on it. It works. Everything works. And I didn't find one identical to this, but I did find quite a few of them online that were similar, and they range from like $20 to $30. So we'll say 15 on this one. Okay. And then I have this bracelet. Let me measure it really quick. It is I Love Soccer. Oh, what am I doing? Silly me. Gosh. Okay. It is going to measure 7 inches at the first link to, I'm thinking it's 8, I believe. Yeah. 8 inches. So 7 to 8 inches on that one. And it has, and it's heavy. It has the soccer balls, it has the shoes, and then it has the shoe charm, a couple of soccer balls, another shoe, and then the I Love Soccer right there with the enameled beads. And it's just awesome. It's so cute. I didn't see any maker on the back of any of these charms. I checked inside some of the beads, and I just cannot find anything on it. I did find a couple of these online. They were going between $20 and $30. And so we'll just say 18 on this one. All the rhinestones are there. It's in really good condition. There's no fading. So we'll say 18 on this one. Okay, and then we have these pieces, which we're going to test together right now. This one is, I believe, Silpata. Let's see. Yeah, this one is Silpata, and I did find it online, and it's also marked inside the pendant here and on the chain, 925, and I'm pretty certain that it is, but we're going to test it anyways. So we will test the pendant as well as the chain right there. And this one is the Silpata, and if it does test, we'll let this one go for 45. It's got the CZs in it, and I forget what this stone is called. Let me think. Okay, I think it was called like Azul. Maybe it's like azurite or something. Anyways, it's gorgeous. This lighting is not doing it any kinds of favors. So let me test that one really quick. And oops. And that one is already changed to the blue, and so has that one. So I don't know if you can see that, but they both turned blue. So they are both sterling, and we'll do $40 on this one. This is the Silpata piece. And did I give you guys a measurement on that? Let's see. It is a 7.5 inch drop with about an inch extension. So there's that one. Okay, this is just a chain. It is marked 925. And so let's just go ahead and check it really quick. Now the clasp turned blue, and the chain did too. Maybe I didn't get enough of it on there from the chain. It's hard to do chains. Without getting it all, let's see. There we go. Yes, so this chain is 925 sterling, and it is 8 1/4, so 17 inches. This is a 17-inch chain, and we will just say, we'll say $12 on that. Okay, and then we have let me use this real quick. Okay, so that chain has been tested. Okay, we're going to test this one. Now, I didn't see any marking on the little cross. It has the 4 blue, I believe those are just glass with the little clear rhinestone in the center. I did not see, like I said, any marking on the cross, but the chain is marked. So we will test. Yeah, that cross is not going to be, I don't think that is super brassy in color. Let's check the chain. Okay, so the chain is sterling and the cross is not. So on that one, let's see how long this chain is. This is going to be a 17-inch chain, 17 inches, and we'll just say $12 on that one. Okay, then we have another chain here, and it has this beautiful CZ pendant, and the pendant is also marked right here on the bail, and the chain is marked as well, so we'll test both of those. It is raining and storming here right now, guys, and it got so cold again with the rain. Okay, that's turning blue for the pendant, and that is turning blue for the chain as well. So let me get y'all a measurement on this one. That one is going to be 21 inches. 21 inches on that, and we'll say 25 on this one. That is beautiful. I wish these lights were giving it the... I just don't know if you guys can see what I'm seeing, and that has got some great sparkle to it. Really blingy. So there's that one. Okay, and then we've got this one here. The chain is marked 925, and so is the pendant. And the pendant has just tiny little chips of rhinestone, and it's got the like diamond cut around the center. It's really pretty. So let's check both of these. to be sure. And yep, those both turn bright blue. So let's get you a measurement on this one. And we will do 25 on it as well. I don't know if you guys can hear that thunder. It's rattling my window over here. Okay, this one measures. It is going to be about 17.5 inches on this chain here. And we'll do 25 on that one too. So both of those are 25. And then we've got this one, which is marked both on the chain and on the dolphin. Now, the problem with this one is that this pearl, can you see that? It's like it's been rubbed against something pretty rough because it has taken the surface off. And this pearl is not real. And from the looks of how I'm looking at it, you could just remove it completely or remove it pretty easily and place another one on there. But the dolphin and the chain are both marked. So let's see what we got here. There's the dolphin. There's the chain. Oh yeah, bright blue. Okay, so those are sterling also. And I think I found this one online for around $80 to $120, but because of the damage to the fake pearl here, I'm just going to say $40 on that one. Okay guys, that's all I've got for you today. So those were all of the silver pieces that we got out of the Goodwill bag that we opened on yesterday's video, and then these were just a few extras. If you see anything here that you like, I will have all of my information in the description box. You can email me at hippeehauler@gmail.com, and I will be more than happy to send you an invoice and get those items shipped out to you. So thank you for joining, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.